Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lesson on pronunciation. So this is in continuation with my previous video on pronunciation based on heteronyms. So the first two words that I'm going to discuss here are minute versus minute. So the spelling is same, the first one used as a noun and the second one used as an adjective. So the pronunciation is different, though the spelling is same. So the first one, minute, which means we have 60 minutes in an hour, right? So this is used as a noun. So the same word, minute, can be also used to describe the record that we make in a meeting, like meeting minutes, right? So the second one is minute, very tiny, very small. So the pronunciation, minute versus minute, right? With same spelling but different pronunciation. Okay. The next word is wind, used as a noun or wind as a verb. So when wind is used as a noun, the pronunciation is wind, which means the movement of air. Right, and when it is used as a verb, the pronunciation changes. It changes from wind to wind. That means to turn around, to coil. So, wind versus wind. Right. The next word, close as a verb and close as an adjective. So when close is used as a verb, the pronunciation is a little different. It should be close. The ending sound is z, close, not close. Okay, close, to shut, right? The opposite of open. Open, close the window, close the door. So close. Whereas when it is used as an adjective, my house is quite close to yours. So that is close. Not z, but s, close. Right. The next word we have is lead as a verb and lead as a noun. So lead, when it is used as a verb, the pronunciation is lead. He is leading his team. Do you want to lead the group? Right, lead as a verb. Whereas when lead is used as a noun, it is the name of an element, led. It's led, not lead. Right. Lead as a verb and led as a noun. The next word is bow, used as a verb and bow used as noun. So when bow is used as a verb, the pronunciation is bow, to bend over, right? Whereas when it is used as a noun, that is the thing used to shoot an arrow, the pronunciation is different. Bow, right? Bow. It can be like you have rainbow, the curve you see, right? The rainbow, or the bow used to shoot an arrow. So the difference in the pronunciation or the form makes the word different, though they are having the same spelling. So it's bow and bow. So these are the words that I just wanted to discuss with you today. I'll be back with more words. Till then, take care. Thank you.